Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ICLD. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Did this analysis on Friday, and just quickly want to recap it here as I had some questions on it, and I would assume those people probably didn't see the video from Friday, which is fine. So this video should be pretty short and to the point because there's really not much else to say about it in terms of from a technical perspective. And that's because everything right now is all depending, and the quote-unquote story is all revolving around this purple line here, which is the famous 50-day simple moving average. Even if you have just a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 50-day simple moving average, and you know that from a bullish perspective, that is, when the price is above it, you want to see the price stay above it because that does imply that, you know, the trend is still in the bull's favor. And that's what's going on right now. On Friday, I talked about the purple line, being very important. And then today, you can see, sure, it was a red day, but, taking a step back and looking at more than just one day, you can see the price, the power of charts right there did indeed bounce off of that purple line. So far, so good from the big picture of things. Now, there is perspective that goes into this. I mean, if you are a day trader and you bought right there and you wanted to sell within, 13.7 seconds, and yeah, you could care less about any of this, but I'm talking about things from a bigger picture perspective and really the grand scheme of things. So from the grand scheme of things, that purple line is very important, and to be fair to the bulls, they are still holding above it. Now, going forward, if the price breaks above that purple line and then starts to separate to the downside, at that point, that's where it's, there's no problem at all in saying that the bears are back in full control of the chart. Yeah, the bears have taken over control a little bit, but to say that the bears are in full control, you can't say that, just like you can't say the bulls are in full control either. But you still got to give the advantage to the bulls a little bit as long as the price is above that purple line. So 50-day simple moving average, still definitely the key storybook point. So we'll see how the price continues to act with that the remainder of the week. Still 4 days left. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.